hello amazing ladies and gorgeous women to my new video. In this video you will discover a variety of amazing styles. Get ready to be amazed by the different short haircuts, including Pixie haircuts, bob hairstyles, and more. These stunning hairstyles will make you feel confident and look fabulous. So join me today as we explore over 50 unique haircut ideas.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always tell the time out. And for critic, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. Grow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, they be taking ISO.
Switzerland, or from anywhere else in the world. These hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to keep up with the latest summer fashion trends. When it comes to short hairstyles, there are too much of options to choose from. In this video, we have selected more than 50 different haircut ideas that suit various tastes and preferences. You will witness the beauty of different colors, styles, and lengths, all designed to enhance your natural features and make a bold statement. One of the highlights of this video is the mesmerizing Pixie cut. Pixie haircuts are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit any face, shape, and personality. Whether you prefer an elegant and sophisticated look or a playful style, there is a Pixie skirt that is perfect for you. These short hairstyles are not only on trend but are also incredibly low maintenance, making them a fantastic choice for busy people who still want to look their best. In today's video, we have a special treat for you. We will showcase a wide variety of short hairstyles that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find the perfect look. Complete Pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have got you covered. So let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of short hair. As you watch this video, you will notice the stunning range of colors, that can transform your short hairs into a true work of art. From classic black to warm brown, there's a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we have included some amazing transformational haircuts in this video. You will be surprised how a simple haircut can completely change the person's appearance. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. It is a true testament to the power of hair and how a new hairstyle can boost self-esteem and bring about a remarkable transformation. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and stay stylish. See you soon.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for critic, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead, might know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Facts, lot of haters. Tell me where they at, though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though. Yeah. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo. Everybody wanna do the same thing, yo. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.